Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
NBC. Celebrate Independence Day by watching the 45th Macy's 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular, live on NBC tonight starting at 8 p.m. Eastern and Pacific, 7 p.m. Central and Mountain. The show features a 25-minute fireworks display as well as a drone light show honoring Team USA.
Let's help you make your mark.
Macy's continues its tradition of a fabulous, over-the-top 4th of July fireworks display with coverage beginning on Sunday, July 4th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, on NBC. The actual fireworks will start after 9 p.m. Eastern Time in the East River near Midtown Manhattan, following music performances and other events.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Macy's 45th annual 4th of July Fireworks Spectacular is back this year after being cancelled by the pandemic in 2020. Then, fireworks will illuminate the New York skyline around 9:25 p.m. with more than 65,000 shells and effects being launched from 5 barges positioned on the East River.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.